There's a reason why places like this clear your head. It's not because they're quiet. It's because everything out here makes sense. The water knows exactly where it's been, exactly where it's going, and exactly how much force it needs to get there.
And that's not luck, that's physics. Systems working exactly the way they're supposed to.
In manufacturing, that same clarity matters even more. Because when your process doesn't make sense, the cost isn't peace of mind. It's wasted material, wasted time, and pressure that lands on real people. Family businesses feel that pressure differently. They don't get to hide mistakes in volume. They don't get to experiment with chaos. That's why the machine matters. The Model 43 work cell is not just about cutting parts. It's about giving a shop a system it can depend on when the pace picks up and the pressure is real. When the machine is built right, the process doesn't fight you. It runs with purpose, the offload keeps parts moving, and the whole cell holds momentum without forcing someone to stand over it every second.
That's not automation for the sake of speed. That's automation that respects your time, your labor, and the people depending on you to get it right. This place reminds you that real power doesn't feel frantic. It feels controlled. And when your software, your machine, and your processes are built with that same discipline,
You stop chasing problems.
and you start building something that lasts.
Today we're with a family business that chose clarity over chaos, systems over shortcuts, and partners that don't disappear when the deal is done.
I'm Bill Logic, and this is Thermwood Beyond the Cut.